Subliminal messaging in movies. It's pretty unreal these days. This summer, JADE HELM coming to a town near you. Pima. Strip mall there. Imagine that. You know, FBI helicopters. Pima, just like the RVs that people were saying were fake. Coming soon. This one has so many subliminals that I'm just gonna let it run.
My whole life I've prepared my son to lead humanity in the fight against the machines.
Scars on his face, like the Antichrist. The wound to his head.
Machines tried to rig the game. Send a Terminator back to the time before the war. Killed my mother. I'll go back. Let me see.
Thrown like a lightning bolt from heaven. Antichrist. Lucifer. The devil. Whatever you want to call him. Illuminati, all-seeing eye, one eye.
You know what? I've been prepping for you to arrive for over a decade.
Wait. It's nice to meet you.
I've been trying to teach him to blend in. I know who's what. Load up.
Maybe my Washington, D.C. is not up to date since I can't stand them or anything, but isn't the Federal Reserve building in the background? Might be.
I've been waiting for you.
That's enough, Arnold. That's enough to make me feel nauseous. This one references CERN. Portals.
Unfortunately, the message was taken the wrong way.
Aliens.
I believe that some alien life force sent down real-life
CERN.
aliens to attack us. That makes sense. We've never faced a thing like this before. You need video game expertise. These guys were champions in '82. Sam Brennan, Pac-Man World Champion.
Nice triangle on their chest. Nice rainbow triangle with that. Pretty funny. Pretty funny stuff. You can't write this stuff, I tell you. This part I'm going to show you, they got to use the portal to go to the other dimension, the other planet, whatever they're trying to say it. Right here. Just wanted to get this out there. These movies are coming out pretty soon. I've been sitting on this for a while. I actually seen the exact same 3 previews a couple weeks back. It was insane that they would put all 3 of them back to back like that. It just gets me thinking when I see those things. Some people call me weird or whatever. I just call it like I see it, though. If you're not sure if Jesus has your name in the Lamb's Book of Life, you might want to ask him. It's time to get right, people. This is James Casali, JC Ministries, signing out.